Curious which apps are using the most random access memory on your Android device? Here's how to do that. So first of all, we're to open up our settings. Then we're to scroll down to our device care. Let's choose it. And after that, let's press on memory. So here on some phone models, you will see the list. However, on most phone models, including the Samsung, the list will be not full, and the only thing what we would see is a proposition to clean up some RAM. Let's do that. It's never a mistake. However, if you want to get a full graph and a full state, let's do the following. So go back to your settings, locate your About Phone tab. Now tap on Software Information. Now locate your build number and tap 7 times on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great. The developer mode is activated. Let's press OK. So we got this popped up message. Now let's go back to our settings. Scroll down to the very bottom, and there we are. Now we have our developer options. Let's open them up. Here we are to find running services. Let's tap here. So in our running services, you can check your memory status. You can check how many of your memory is taken by the system, by the apps, and how much memory you have free. You can see which applications are taking the most in real time. As you see, it's constantly updating. And considering that, you can either delete this application or disable it or clear the cache and do whatever you need. After you're done, you can simply go back and turn off your developer options. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.